National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Granville County in central North Carolina, northwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, southeastern Durham County in central North Carolina, west central Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cary, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Franklinton, RDU International, Apex, Morrisville and Youngsville.